Hey everybody, my name is Nick Leith. I currently work as a case manager, which is like a fancy title for an assistant to a school psychologist, and I'm in the school psych program at the University of Findlay. Before jumping into the world of school psychology, I taught intervention for 3 years in a kindergarten setting and then on a fourth grade setting. An interesting fact about me, or an interesting tidbit, is that I enjoy athletics and coaching. I've been involved with a basketball program, high school basketball program, and I'm currently coaching junior high baseball. I also love anytime I get to go out west to Colorado, Wyoming, Montana. I've been backpacking several times. Really enjoy the scenery and enjoy the outdoors. So qualitative research, what I know is not a whole lot. So the first thing I know is that it's non-numerical. So I'm in qualitative research. I'm not going to quantify anything. I'm not going to tally things or, I'm just simply recording what people said or what people filled out. Um, the second thing I know is that it involves a lot of interviews and surveys, a lot of one-on-one conversations or writings from different people. And then the last thing that kind of goes along with the interviews and surveys is that qualitative research is usually open-ended. A lot of times it gets kind of the true thoughts of people that are involved in the research process or involved in your study. So that's kind of just the very basics of what I know about qualitative research. So that kind of leads into what I want from the class. From this class, I basically want to learn how to set up good surveys, good interview questions, and then a kind of part two to that, are there other ways of um, collecting qualitative research outside of just surveys and questionnaires and interviews and things like that? So that's what I'm kind of hoping to get from the class. Looking forward to the class.